If you're interested in making money online with ChatGPT, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how you can use it with 3 different online business models that I recommend for beginners: dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and an automated YouTube channel. I use these methods to generate income and travel to various locations worldwide. Stick around for the entire video, as valuable insights could change your life. If you like the content, please click the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification. Let's dive into the first online business model, which is dropshipping. To create a ChatGPT account, head over to openai.com and provide your email address and phone number. It's completely free to create an account. Once you have an account, you can use this AI bot to come up with product ideas that can lead to a winning product. To do this, simply go to the products section and type, "Can you tell me 10 winning dropshipping products that I can sell all year round?" and hit enter. Within a few seconds, the bot will provide you with a list of product ideas, such as wireless charging pads, yoga mats, resistant bands, and face masks. On top of the list of winning dropshipping products that I want to research further is essential oil diffusers. To find a similar product to start dropshipping, I'll copy the product name and paste it into the AutoDS marketplace. Then I'll select the option for products with 2 to 4 days or 9 to 12-day delivery. The search results show a variety of products with fast delivery times, and I can click into each one to see if it's a good fit for my store. To determine if a product is trending, I'll use Google Trends. I'll paste the main keyword from the product title, which is humidifier, into the search bar and see if there's a consistent search volume over time. If there is, it might be a good time to start drop shipping the product. I can also check out other stores selling the same product to see how I can compete. If the shipping time on my store is similar or faster than my competitors, I have a good chance of success. Another way to make money online with ChatGPT is through ClickBank affiliate marketing. To get started, I'll create a ClickBank account and click on Top Offers to see which products other affiliate marketers are having success with. I can also see how much I'll earn per conversion by looking at the right-hand side of the page. To find YouTube ads for a specific product, I'll use a software called Video Ads Spy. I'll copy the name of the product I want to promote and paste it into the software. This will allow me to spy on the YouTube ads that people are running for that product and potentially find new ways to promote it. To view different YouTube ads and the number of views each ad has received, I'll click on the search button. This information is crucial because it allows us to replicate the most successful ads. For instance, if I want to view an ad, I simply click on Play. This ad features text on the screen, and it has over 2.1 million views. Based on the views, it's evident that the advertiser is making money from the product they're promoting, which is a ClickBank affiliate product. To promote the same product, we can copy the name from the URL and paste it into the search bar on ClickBank. This way, we can easily find the product and obtain our affiliate link. ChatGPT can assist you with this entire process by creating a Captivate YouTube video ad script. For example, you can ask it to create a script for a product that helps with weight loss. Simply type in your request, and the bot will provide you with a full breakdown of the script. To create an effective YouTube video ad, it's crucial to know exactly who will say what, which images and stock videos to use, and where to place them. While you can make manual adjustments to the script, you can also paste it directly into a website called InVideo. This software will create a YouTube video ad using the appropriate videos and images in the right places. If you want to replace a video, it's a straightforward process. Simply delete the video, search for the type of video you want to use, drag it in, and download the final product. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. By subscribing, you'll have access to more valuable content and exclusive updates. Thank you for supporting this channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.